Hello everybody, and how you doing? This is Fahad, and this topic is about the group by statement in MySQL and how does it work. Okay, so first of all, let me just define you what is the group by statement. The group by is a statement that groups the rows that have the same values into the summary rows. So it is just kind of group all the rows that has the same values into a summary rows. Alright, and you may not able to get the point right now, but I will show you how that work in the code, so you will understand this thing. And the second point is it is usually used with the aggregate functions such as count, max, min, and average. Alright, so let's just go to the code and see how the things work here. Here is the scenario that I just want to know how many the continents, different continents have countries in them. Okay, I want to know how many countries are there in Asia and America, South America, North America, Africa, and Europe. So let's just figure out how we can do this with the help of group by statement. I want to use country table here, so select. Alright, you can see all this table. Now let me just do the group by work here. I just want to know the number of countries in the continents, the different continents. So count name, because I want to know the number of countries, and second is continent, and from country group by. Okay, so we have to write the name of the column from where we have to kind of get the data according to that column. Okay, in this scenario we want to use the continent because I want to know the number of countries in the continent. So continent here. This is how it works. Now you can see the number of countries in the different continent. Alright, 37 in the North America, 51. Okay, so they are not ordered, so I just want to order this thing. Alright, okay, now you can see the number of countries in the different continents order wise, or in the order. Alright, so this is how it works. Okay, one more thing here. If I just remove this thing, what will happen? It will show you all the number of countries. Alright, and in continent it may not give you a kind of accurate data, so that's why we use the group by to get the correct result, accurate result, and also depends on our the conditions or the requirement. Alright, now I want to see that how many countries are there in the different region here. Okay, now you can see here we have the regions here, and we have the different number of countries that are in that region. We have the highest value with the Caribbean, and in Caribbean we have the 24 countries there, and Eastern Africa we have the 20, and we also have the other bunch of countries in the different regions. So this is how the group by statement work. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.